everybody, this is Jeff. Welcome to the channel. That's the dual sport. It's perfect. I can't believe it. The bike's better off without me. Hey everybody, hope you're having a great day. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, I'm Jeff and I ride various bikes in a lot of different places. This video you're watching is a recap of lots of random footage from this last fall and winter that none of really had enough substance for their own dedicated videos, but I thought they were cool and I wanted to share them with you guys anyway. So I'll let you in on some top secret information for the future of the channel. I got a lot of sweet plans for this season. A lot of KTM 990 stuff, a lot of YZ stuff, some already in the works for that. Probably going to do some more Goldwing stuff this year because people seem to enjoy that. Moto camping, you name it. That's happening. So also I love suggestions from you folks, so comment below if you want to see more of anything. This footage here is from South Haven, Michigan. I rode the Goldwing out there shortly after all the snow had melted. Wanted to check out the sunset in the lake. I hadn't been there in a while. My girlfriend had to work, so she couldn't go and enjoy it. She loves the Goldwing, but man, that's a great touring bike, and I'll definitely be doing more footage of that this year. And I tried to ride some snow this year, as you can see. Even got a set of grip studs. Just couldn't time it right to ride on a day with the right amount of snow, so that'll be a big goal for me this winter. I definitely want to shred some snow, and there's a big announcement on the channel. My girlfriend got a new bike. She wanted something lighter than her XT250 for trail riding. So she got a CRF 100F, and she loves it, and let's check it out. Good morning, everybody. Jeff, welcome to the channel. We're out here at White Cloud. Me and my girlfriend and her new CRF 100. And she's killing it. I think she really likes this bike compared to her old bike. Here she is, and she's getting comfortable, doing a little standing here. Sounds like second gear probably, but yeah, she's doing good. I'm gonna pass her. I know she don't like me following her. Beautiful day. And I'm out of there. And man, it feels good to have the knobbies back on the YZ. My goodness, I love this bike. But yeah, we'll go up here to the creek. There's like a bench and we can sit there for a minute and get a picture, and then we'll head back. Okay. Okay? Yeah. All right. Okay.
Yeah, baby!
It's not as bad that way.
Yeah, there's a couple of deep ones, but you can go around some of them.
Okay. Yeah, I came from that way, so. Yeah. Have a good one. As we get near the end of the video, I dropped some pics of the winter adventures. I hope you're all ready for a dope season. I got tons of plans. So like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video, which I'm hoping to drop in 2 weeks. So thanks for watching. Have a good one.